Welcome to my channel, Nigel's View on Things. How you doing? How you keeping? Hope everybody's safe and sound where you are. I just got something really strange to show you. And I've been thinking, shall I put this out or shan't I? And I'm that sort of person that tries to be logical about everything and try and find an answer. If you've been looking at any of my videos, you can't really disagree at what you're seeing. Unless you're a troll, of course. But, yeah. Is it rain? Is it pareidolia? Have a look, see what you think. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's play the video. It's just really strange. Well, tell me, what do you think? What did you see? Is it from Cern? Is it plasma? Is it entities? Or is it coming from the light? I just find it very strange. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know what you have seen. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. It's just really strange.